Tara na at magpalamig sa aking napuntahan. Umulan na umaraw, siguradong may ibigan. Kaya naman, eto na, ang Ice Blast Philippines. Located sa Unit 103, Bellagio Residence, Kapiligan Street. Eto na nga ang first ever retro comic themed slushie ng Pilipinas. Dahil sa tropical na klima, talaga namang it's so refreshing na matikman ang Ice Blast. Hindi lang isa o dalawa pero up to 16 flavors ang pwede nyong masubukan. Pwede nyong subukan ang single flavor or combo flavor. Depende kung ano ang nais nyo. Iba't ibang sizes din ang pwedeng pagpilian. From Sidekick to Celestial ay available yan. Speaking of Celestial, may ongoing promotion ang Ice Blast Philippines na Celestial Challenge. Drink 1 liter of slushie within 30 seconds to win 1,000 pesos. And this challenge is applicable to all branches. Kung balak nyo namang magkaroon ng own business, this is the perfect chance dahil open for franchise ang Ice Blast Philippines. A franchise package that starts at 149,000 pesos. Pero every 10 slots taken is nagtataas sila ng prices ng franchise package. Kaya naman better to reserve your slots as early as possible to secure the current price. For any inquiry or questions about the franchise or any product related, mag-message lang kayo sa Ice Blast Philippines Facebook page.